morning, everybody. So we are 16th of July, 19. We'll start our analysis by first looking at the main pairs. We'll look at GBP/USD. We'll also look at Euro/USD. Then we'll look at USD/JPY. Before we move forward to the next one, which should be SP500, Brent oil. The last one is gold. So we start off with gold. We'll start off with the one which we normally end with every day, which is gold. This is what I can say on gold. We have a line here, very good resistance, and resistance. Then on the lower side we also have this one. So this should be the places to sell from. If price attempt to come back up to this resistance, the same trend line, then that's the correct place we're looking for a sell from. Anytime the price comes back up to that trend line but does not break above it, that's the correct place to look for a sell from. So we have this resistance, then we also have this as a support, have this as a good support here, also have this as a support. So these are the places that as long as the price remains in between this zone here, we are looking for a sell. So something like that, the price should try attempting getting up, trace back like this, so that you can look for a buy. So if the price touches either the top line here, we look for a sell. If it touches the lower line, look for a buy. This on gold, this is what we expect. We basically expect to be buying it. We expect to buy it if price goes beyond the trend line which you've looked at. But as long as the price is still being held within the shape formation, we are looking for reversals. So we'll move forward to our next chart. Chart which is here. Brent oil. Here. So Brent oil also 500. Yesterday we were actually looking for a buy. Price was above this level here. Price was above this line. Then we mentioned that as long as the price remained above that level, it's supposed to look for a buy. So instead of continuing upwards, the price just pulled back down and is still below this level. So this somehow is a sell. It's a good sell, and it means that the price is likely heading to the lower side. The lower side, we have this level, so we have this. Also have this. We have this here. Also have this. So Brent oil, these are the levels to look for. You either wait for price to retrace back up to this line here so that you can sell it up to this point, or you can wait for price to break above so that you can buy it up to the next level. 4 hours, 1 hour. Now there's something which is interesting. Have this very good trend line. So have this. So this is like some shape forming. There's an attempt to break below. Somehow we are still above. So this is likely pushing price to the upper side. So if you didn't buy it or you're not in any position in this commodity, you can still buy it here. You can still wait and buy it at this point. It's a very good place to look for a buy from. You can buy it and expect that buy to push price up to upper trend line, which is this one, up to somewhere around this point. Sorry, to SP500. So SP500 has been a buy for some times now. The price keep making higher lows. As you can see, we have this some lower low, the higher low, higher low, higher low, and even higher low. So this is a sign that price is still heading to the upper side. We are still somehow heading to the upper side, and as long as the price does not break below either this trend line, the upper one, or the lower one, we expect it to proceed even further to the upper side. So the idea is to wait for price to retrace to the lower side, wait for retracements. These are the levels. So may want to wait for price to retrace up to this level. If price comes back to this level, this is a buy. Breaks down, then this is the place to look for a buy from. So you either buy it there or you buy it here. Either way, we expect price to proceed to the upper side ultimately. So a retracement, then a trend to the upper side. This is what we expect to happen after sometimes. Price should break upwards and then continue. Let me add an indicator. So the indicator is giving us an active uptrend where we are somehow upwards. A support, support, a support, support. Therefore, this is still upwards. So we move to the next symbol. It's Euro USD. Euro USD is downwards. As you can see, we already have a position opened. Price is heading to the lower side. So if you are looking at this chart at the moment, you actually supposed to be in a sell. You're supposed to have taken a sell position as you're speaking. Expect that sell to push price towards where having this take profit here. Expect that to push price downwards. Yeah. And you also have a level here that if you didn't sell it while you were selling it from the top here, you can still sell it, but only if it breaks below this level. So something like this will mean you're looking for a seller break and then a retracement. So that you can pick a sell to the lower side. This is the place to sell from. If you didn't sell it at that point, you can still have the chance to sell it, but only if it goes below this level and then it traces back to it. That's the one you're going to sell. We'll move forward to our next symbol. That should be, sorry, should be GBP USD. So GBP USD so far is also downwards. Just as we didn't sell it, but it's also actively downwards. We had a level here. Very, very good resistance support, which has been broken and then being used as a resistance. The entire place was a support, was a break below, a retracement and a consolidation. So this was a sign that the price is heading to the lower side. We are continuing downwards. We expect that downwards to push it up to this level here. So if price can retrace back up to this level 1.2524, we look for a sell from that point. But if it does not, then expect price to proceed even lower up to this level. Yeah. So either way, we are still into a sell. This is still a very good sell. Hold on to sell positions. Expect the sell to be going up to around this level 1.2446. To the last symbol is DJ. So this is how this chart looks on the daily. Actually have something significant happening. We have this, a very good trend line and another on the top. So as long as the price remains in between this zone, we are looking for a buy here and a sell from the lower side, sell from the upper side. So if you didn't buy it here while price was here, you still have the chance to sell it when it gets up to this level. So we either buy here, sell there, or wait and buy from the bottom. These are the only places to look for, this one or this one. So that should bring us to the end. If you have any questions, please feel free to post them under the chat option. We'll give a response. See you again tomorrow at the same time.